Hello, and welcome to an overview of building a connected learning community for coding in the classroom. According to Beach and Hall, the authors of The Connected Educator, a connected learner is one who develops networks and co-constructs knowledge from wherever they are, collaborates online using social media to interact with colleagues around the globe, and brings back what they learn into their classrooms, schools, and districts. In this presentation, I hope to share the ways in which I will create a connected learning community within my school to collaborate with other connected learners and encourage the use of coding in the classroom. In my connected learning community, we will use Google Classroom as our communication and collaboration tool, and we will be focusing on the topic of bringing coding and programming into the elementary classroom. In order to foster a culture of collaboration within the community, teachers will begin by sharing their experiences with coding in the classroom, whether they are beginners, novice, or advanced. Beach and Hall share that the secret to creating deep and trusting relationships is to provide opportunities to share. Opportunities to share opinions and experiences will be encouraged often and at regular intervals to support collaboration and growth in the online relationship within the community. Google Classroom is the perfect collaboration tool for my connected learning community. Our district already uses Google Apps for lesson planning, collaboration with our teams, and for teaching, so most teachers are familiar and comfortable with the technology. Google Classroom is user-friendly and it can be downloaded to your computer, tablet, or smartphone so that the community members can easily stay connected wherever they are at, whether it's work, home, or on the go. It allows for the sharing of articles, blog posts, videos, pictures, links, as well as thoughts and opinions, all in a simple and organized fashion. Teachers who are part of the community will be given coding tasks or activities to introduce in their classroom, and then will be encouraged to share their experience with the other members of the community. Tips, suggestions, and training opportunities will be provided as the community progresses so that teachers will be supported and actively participating. In order to continue the momentum of the community and maintain the interest of all members, Beach and Hall suggest using an appreciative inquiry approach. This can be done in the connected learning community by posing what-if scenarios in addition to the given activities as reflection pieces. This approach will help to keep the conversations going and continue collaboration amongst community members. Transforming a community member into a connected learner can be a difficult task. However, in this particular community, teachers are actively engaged in activities and sharing results with the group. Hopefully, in sharing their experiences, community members will begin to share their own thoughts, ideas, and findings, thus transforming into truly connected learners. To ensure that the connected learning community remains sustainable, members will be prompted to reflect upon the practices and activities they've participated in and offer solutions or alternatives to issues that they encounter along the way. This method of encouraging sustainability is referred to as action research by Beach and Hall, where participants work together to solve problems and create solutions. There are many barriers to overcome when creating a connected learning community. Some of those barriers can be overcome fairly easily, like being skeptical or unsure of using the app Google Classroom. This barrier can be easily overcome by offering training videos that demonstrate the use, or simply explaining the tool and modeling its use. Other barriers, like resistance to participate due to time restrictions, are not so easily overcome. Teachers are busy people, and most are resistant to adding what they deem as an additional duty to their plate. By making teachers aware of all of the benefits of the community and activities, and encouraging them to download the Google Classroom app on their smartphones or tablets, this barrier can be thwarted.